Hi guys! So here I am again. My name is Simone and I will teach you how to do a brioche knit stitch or a bark, BRK, for continental knitters. I will attempt to also show you how to do it if you're a thrower. For a continental knitter, I'm getting to my brioche knit here, or bark. You're going to go into the stitch as if you're normally knitting it, but your brioche stitch always has a yarn over with it. So the knit stitch and its yarn over get knit together. That's a brioche knit. Then you're going to bring the yarn over the needle. You're going to slip the next stitch, which is a purl stitch here, and then you're going to brioche knit that pair. Yarn over, slip, and knit the yarn over together with its knit stitch as a brioche knit. When you do it faster, it looks like this. Yarn over, slip, brioche knit, 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 brioche knit. And now I will attempt to show you how to throw for a brioche knit. All right, and now I will show you how you would do a brioche knit stitch if you're a thrower. So now your yarn is in your right hand, of course. You're going to, so I just completed a brioche knit stitch. I'm going to slip one yarn over. I'm going to bring the yarn front for my yarn over. I'm going to slip that stitch, bring the yarn, over the needle, and then I'm going to brioche knit. So I'm going to put my needle into the stitch with its yarn over, and making sure that my yarn over stays in place, I'm going to bring the yarn around and through. See, now the purl stitch has a yarn over with it, and I knit the brioche knit stitch here. So again, bring the yarn forward, slip it, yarn over, put the needle through as if to knit regularly, but into the knit stitch with its yarn over, yarn around the needle, and there you go. Now my tension's a bit wonky for for throwing, but that should give you a good idea. Again, bring the yarn to the front. You have to make sure that before you're doing a purl stitch, your yarn comes forward for your yarn over. Otherwise, you're not going to have it in place when you're getting to your knit stitch. So again, the yarn comes to the front. You're slipping that stitch. You're putting your, see how it wants to come undone, so you have to make sure that it stays. Your needle goes into the stitch, into the brioche knit stitch, and you're going to bring it around the needle, making sure that it stays over top at the same time. So you have that yarn over with your purl stitch before. All right, and that's your basic brioche knit or bark stitch.